Today we will discuss about how to solve pair of linear equations in two ways. Solving pair of linear equations in two variables. So we can solve these pair of linear equations in the following methods. First one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Elimination method. Third one, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So we can solve pair of linear equations in two variables by the following three methods. First one is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Here we can discuss about only these two methods. So in our syllabus we have these two methods. What are those two? One is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Now we will discuss about these two methods briefly. One, substitution method. Substitution. So in this method, first you have to convert we have to make either x or y as subject from any one of the given equations. So what is the first method? We have to make either variable x or variable y as subject from any one of the given equations. Next. Suppose when we are making y as subject from equation 1. In second method, we have to substitute the value of y in equation 2. Then we will get a new equation which is in terms of variable x. Now we can solve variable x. Next step. Substituting value of x in y, we will get in 1 or 2 we will get y. So So first we have to make either x or y as subject from the any one of the given equations. Suppose when we are making y as subject from equation 1, we have to substitute the value of y in equation 2. Then we will get a new equation which is in terms of variable x. Now we have to solve that equation for x. Substituting value of x in equation 1 or 2, we will get y. Now we will discuss this by using an example. Suppose they are given a pair of equations. They will give like this: solve x plus y equal to 2, x minus y equal to 7, or x minus y equal to 1. If you want to solve these two by substitution method. So what is the first step? What you have to do? You have to make either x or y as subject from any one of the given equations. So first you have to make these as equation 1 and equation 2. Either 1 or either 2, we have to make either x or y as subject. Now I am taking y as subject here from equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y equal to 2. From this y equal to 2 minus x. So from equation 1, I am making y as subject. To make y as subject, I am removing x from left to, I am transposing x from left to right. It becomes plus x becomes minus x. Now I am considering this as equation 3. Now, so after substituting y value in equation, now we have to substitute y value in equation 2. In equation 2, in place of y, we are substituting x value. X minus, now substitute 3 into. Now x minus, in place of y, you have to write 2 minus x equal to 1. So multiplying these two, x minus 2 minus of minus plus x equal to 1. X minus y equal to 1. So x plus x, 2x equal to, transposing minus to this side, 1 plus 2. X equal to 2 plus 1, 3. 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Now substitute x value. After finding x value, now this is the equation in terms of x. From this you have to find x value. Now we are finding x value as 3 by 2. Now substitute x value either equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. Now equation 3 is in terms of y. That's why when you are substituting x equal to 3 by 2 in equation 3, y equal to 2 minus x. What is x value? 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 is 4 minus 3. So 1 by 2. Here LCM is 2. 2 is 4. Here denominator is 1. So 1 goes in 2 times into. So 2 2s 4. 2 1s 1. 1 3 is 3. 4 minus 3. Which is equal to 1 by 2. Now therefore x comma y equal to 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is the solution for these pair of equations by substitution method. Once you check whether these values are correct or not, when you are substituting these values in equation 1, verification. No need to find cross-check verification for all the problems. For this problem, just we are checking whether these two values are correct or not. So substituting these two values in first equation, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you have to get 2. So common denominator is 2, 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 2 equal to 2. So 2 equal to 2. Correct. Next, substituting these values here. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to, we have to get 1. Common denominator is 2, 3 minus 1 equal to 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. 1 equal to 1. This is also true. Now substituting these values in these two equations, we are getting these two are true. That's why this is the solution for these pair of linear equations in two variables by substitution method. Elimination method. Elimination method. So in this method, what are the pair of equations they gave? First you have to convert which variable we have to remove. First we have to decide whether which variable you have to remove. So either x variable or y variable. Suppose if they gave the equations, what is the standard form of linear equations in two variables? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now in these two equations, first you have to make which variables we have to remove. Suppose if you want to remove this x variable, we have to make these two coefficients are same. Suppose if you want to remove this y variable, you have to make these y coefficients are same. After that, you have to remove that variable. So for example, same equation when you are solving by elimination method. What are those equations? Just now we taken x plus y equal to 2, x minus y equal to 1. So here these two equations, when you want to remove y, here y coefficient is 1, here also y coefficient is 1, regardless of its signs. So when you want to remove y, adding these two, plus y minus y gets cancelled, 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Now substituting these values, any one of these two equations. What are the two equations? X plus y equal to 2, x minus y equal to 1. Equation to equation. Now substituting one, x value is 3 by 2 plus y equal to 2, y equal to 2 minus 3 by 2, y equal to 2 to 4 minus 3 by 2, y equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x comma y equal to 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So here y variables are same. That's why simply we are adding these two equations, because whenever we are adding these two, then only these two variables becomes removed. Here plus y, here minus y. When these two becomes removed, when we are adding, then only these two are removed. That's why we are adding here. After removing y variable, we are getting in terms of x. Now we are finding x value here. After substituting x value in any one of these two equations, we will get y value. Suppose if these variable coefficients are different, we will take another equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. 3x minus 2y equal to 7. These are the two pair of linear equations. So we have to solve by elimination method. So if you want to, which variable you have to remove, that we have to decide first. So here I want to remove y variable. So whenever I want to remove y variable, first I have to check whether the variable coefficients are same or not. Here y variable coefficient is 3, here y variable coefficient is 2. Regardless of these signs to pan lekunda. Regardless of these signs, here y coefficient is 3, here y coefficient is 2. So when these two become same, whenever you are finding the LCM of these two, then these two become same. What is LCM of 3 and 2? For 3 and 2 there is no common factors other than 1. That's why LCM is product of these two. 3 2 are 6. So when you multiply equation 1 with 2, you will get 6 here. When you multiply equation 2 with 3, you will get 6 here. So equation 1, equation 2. First equation we are multiplying with 2. Implies all the 3 terms you have to multiply with 2. X variable term, y variable term, constant. So 2x into 2, 4x, plus 3y into 2, 6y, equal to 2 into 5, 10. Second equation into 3 implies 3 into 3x, 9x, minus 3 into 2y, 6y, equal to 3 into 7, 21. Then you observe these y coefficients. Now y coefficient is 6 here, y coefficient is 6 here. But when you observe these signs here, this is plus 6, this is minus 6. When these two will be removed, simply when we are adding these, you will get plus 6y minus 6y becomes 0. That's why adding these two equations. So whenever we are adding, simply you have to add. That's all. Plus 6y minus 6y gets cancelled. 9 plus 4, 13x equal to 21 plus 10, 31. X equal to 31 by 30. To get y value, you have to substitute in any one of the above equations. Substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus 3y equal to 5. 2x plus 3y equal to 5. 2 into what is x value? 31 by 13 plus 3y equal to 5. 31 to 62 by 13 plus 3y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 minus 62 by 13. 13 5 is 65. 65 minus 2. 65 minus 62. 3. So 3y equal to 3 by 13. From this 3 ones, from this y equal to 1 by 13. Therefore x comma y equal to 31 by 13, 1 by 13. So whenever you are solving these two equations, here first I am removing y variable. We can remove x variable also. See, when you observe these two, now I am removing x variable. Here these two variables are, coefficients are here 2, here 3. So equation 1 multiplying with 3. 6x plus 9y equal to 15. Equation 2 multiplying with 2. 6x minus 4y equal to 14. Now here both 6x and 6x both are positive. Whenever we are adding these two, we can't remove x variable term. That's why we have to subtract these two equations. Whenever we are subtracting two equations, second equation signs becomes changed. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Here plus 6x becomes minus 6x, minus 4y becomes plus 4y, plus 14 becomes minus 14. Now plus 6x minus 6x cancel, 9y plus 4y, 13y equal to 15 minus 4, 1. So y equal to 1 by 13. So we are getting y value 1 by 13 or not? 1 by 13. Now substitute this value in either any one of the equations. So here we are substituting y. Now here we are substituting equation 2 also. Equation 1 ayana 2 ayana indro ayana substitute cheyochu. Now what is equation 2? 3x minus 2y equal to 7. 3x minus 2 into y value is 1 by 13 equal to 7. 3x equal to, transposing this to the side, 7 plus 2 into 1 by 13, 2 by 13. x equal to 13 sevens 91 plus 2 93 by 13 transposing x equal to 93 by transposing 3 to this side it becomes divides 13 into 3. So 3 3 9 3 ones. X equal to 31 by 13. Therefore x comma y equal to 31 by 13 comma 1 by 13. So this is about cross multiplication method. Elimination method. How to solve pair of linear equations by elimination method. So first what you have to do, we have to observe either x variable, what is the variable we have to remove. Whenever they give equations, to solve those two equations by elimination method, first what you have to do, we have to observe which variable you have to remove. That we have to decide first. ఇచ్చిన టూ వేరియబుల్స్ లో దేన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది ఫస్ట్ మనం డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఏదైనా ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలా, వై వేరియబుల్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ వెన్ ఎవర్ వీఆర్ రిమూవింగ్ వన్ వేరియబుల్ దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద సెకండ్ వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ ఈజీ. దట్స్ వై నౌ ఐ am removing here y variable. That's why here y coefficient is 2, here y coefficient is 3. First we have to make y coefficients are same. That's why I am multiplying the equation 1 with 2, equation 2 with 3, then y coefficients become same. Here 6, here also 6. So after that, when I am observing the signs of these two, this is plus 6y minus 6y. That's why simply I am adding these two equations. Now this y variable term becomes removed. X variable 4x plus 9x equal to 13x, 21x equal to 31 by 3. Now substituting these values in any one of those equations. Equation 1 only substitute cheyalani em ledhu, second equation aina substitute cheyochu. Then you will get y value. Here I want to remove x variable. That's why